Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G84, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, if you have a case, you'll need to take it off. And the tray is located on the top left side of the device, so right over here. Push the pin in, and you will see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards, or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. I'm just going to be inserting 1 SIM card, but obviously if you're planning to put an SD, you will place it on this bigger tray. From there, insert it back into the device. And the card should start working right away. Now for me, I don't think it's going to pop up with any kind of information, just because I think this card is already deactivated. But let's see if we can find anything in the settings that would imply that it is running. So it's not seeing it at the moment. Now this could be because this card is completely deactivated, or if in your case your device doesn't see it either, what you could do is hold your power button. Actually, I guess pull down the notifications and press on the power button right here, and you can select restart. When the device boots back up, at that point the card should start working right away. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.